In this video of data interpretation, we will learn how to tackle pie chart problems. In this is a data set from SBI PO Bank PO exam of 2013, and we will solve these questions. And after watching this video, you will be able to solve 4 of these 5 questions within 10 seconds, and one question will take around 1 minute. So you will be able to solve all the 5 questions within 2 minutes. Pie chart is about the total number of employees, and this total number of employees are divided into different teams like management team, engineering, teaching, and so on. So the question asks us that 25% of employees from film production profession went on a strike. How many did not went to the strike? So if 25% went on a strike, then obviously 75% did not went to the strike, right? So we have to calculate 75% of film production staff. So what is the total film production staff? That is 19% of 26800. So what we need to calculate is 19 of 26800, and then we have to calculate 75%, right? So what is 75%? 75% is 3 by 4. So we have to calculate this. Even after using fractions, we have to multiply all this and divide it by 4 to get the answer. But the trick is we can see the last digits. The last digits here are different: 8, 9, 6, 1, 3. So the rule of multiplication says the last digit cannot be different. If I multiply 3 into this last digit here, 3 into 8 into 9 divided by 4, the last digit would be same. So if I divide 268 by 4, that will give me 767 into 3 into is same. So 9 into 7 is 63. So last digit of 63 is 3. Now I'll multiply 3 into 3, that will give me 9. The last digit will be 9. And which option has the last digit as 9? That is 3819. So this will be my answer, 3819. Let's move to the next question. What is the total number of employees in engineering profession and industries together? Engineering plus industries. So here it is, engineering, but 9% in engineering and 13% in industries. So the total of 13 plus 9 is 22. We need not multiply, first calculate 13% of this and then 9%, then add. We can simply first add it and then find out. That will save some time. This is 22. Now we have to calculate 22% of 26,800. So here also we can use this trick. We can just simply multiply this. What I have to calculate is 26800 and 22% of this. So 22% of this will be nothing but we can just simply multiply 2 with 8, that is 6. Yeah, 2 with 8 is 16, so last digit will be 6. You can see in options which option has a last digit as 6. This option has last digit as 6, so this is our answer. Let's look at one more problem. What is the difference between the total number of employees in teaching and medical profession together and the number of employees in management profession? So we need to add first teaching and medical. So this is 27 plus 50, 42. Then the number of employees in management profession. So we have to subtract the number of employees from management. So this is 27 plus 15, 42. 42 minus 17 is 25. So we have to calculate this 25% of 26800. 25% of anything is nothing, but you can just divide a number by 4, because 1 by 4 is 25%, and we can just simply divide 26800 by 4. That will give us 6700. That is the answer, 6700. Let's look at one more problem. In teaching profession, if 3/5 of the teachers are not permanent, what is the number of permanent teachers in the teaching profession? If 3/5 are not permanent, that means 2 by 5 would be permanent. Why? Because if I say you that out of 100, 25 are not permanent, and there can be only two choices whether they can be permanent or non-permanent. So 75 will be non-permanent. You just subtracted 25 from 100. But here in the fraction, the whole percentage is 1. 1 represents 100%. So 1 minus 3 by 5 will give us 2 by 5. Now 2 by 5 of the permanent teachers. So 2 by 5 of permanent teachers. Total teachers are 15% of total. Total is 26800. So we need to find out 2 by 5 of 15% of 26800. We can cut this. Now we have to find out this. So here also we can use the 2 into 3 is 6. Now 6 into 8 is 48. So the last digit is 8. Now we can look on the options. This digit has this last digit at 8, so 1608 is our answer. So all the questions so far we have done with this trick, but I have left one question that, like I told you, all the questions are 10-second question, but this question would take a little time, because in this question the options have the last digit 999, and these options are also very close, so we cannot use that trick. First look at the options for using trick. Any trick, there is no trick which will apply to every question, so you have to remember tricks and you have to apply your brain and presence of mind in the exam to apply tricks. In management, so let's look at the question. In management profession, 3/4 of the number of employees are females. What is the number of male? So 3/4 are female, so what would be the male percentage? That would be 25%, or 1 by 4. 1 minus 3 by 4 is 1 by 4, right? So what we have to calculate is 1 by 4 for the management profession. Management profession counts for 17%, so we need to calculate 17% of 26800, and then 1 by 4 is, that is 25%. That's what we need to calculate. This is again simple. 268 by 4 is 67. We have calculated, and this 7 into 7 will give me 9 as a last digit, because 7 into 7 is 49 and last digit is 9, but all three options have 9, so we cannot rely on this trick. Now we have to do is, we have to multiply. Now we have to multiply 67 into 17, or if you have watched my tricks on Vedic maths, then there I told you how to multiply 2-digit numbers. If you master that trick, if you practice around 20-30 questions on that, then you will easily calculate this kind of calculation, where you have to multiply two 2-digit numbers, right? So here you have to just multiply it and you can get the answer. I'm not telling you any other trick on 67 into 17, because that will be confusing. You just need to multiply it and you will get the answer for this also. So what are the takeaways from this video? So what we found is, first of all, the last digit. Match the last digit. If the last digit is, if you have to multiply 3-4 numbers and the last digit is in the options which you're getting is unique, then mark the answer. That's it. So we have learned this trick, use this trick. And second thing is, all the other questions we have done so far, on use of fractions, that I have told you many times. Use fractions. That's it.